We want to write equations from 2 points that are given. We can do that by identifying the same kind of things we were before and writing it in our slope-intercept form. So this is going to be for if you're given a point, just any random point, and the y-intercept already. And the y-intercept, okay? So we're going to calculate slope using our slope formula. M equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then we're going to identify the y-intercept, which is going to be given to us. This is going to be the point that is 0 and then some number. And then we're going to write the equation in our slope-intercept form. Remember, y equals mx plus, I did it again, b. Okay? So example 1, we want to do the steps above. So we're going to use our slope formula between these 2 points, x1, y1, x2, y2. Label, 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 always label, I always label. So we've got 11 minus 5 over 2 minus 0. And I plug this into my calculator. Slope is 3. I want to identify our y-intercept. This is the one that's 0 and then a number. So my b is going to be 5. And then I plug in y equals 3x. This is positive 5, so plus 5. It is just that simple. Find slope. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus. This one I'm going to show you in the calculator just in case. Hopefully you can see it. Turn this light off and see if that helps. Well, I don't know about that. Well, let me move out of the light then. Okay, again, I'm going to plug this in exactly as I see it in my calculator, but I'm going to make sure that I put parentheses on both the top and the bottom so I get the correct answer. So I'm doing 2 minus negative 4. And then divided by, open parentheses, 0 minus that negative 2. And I typed it in exactly like I saw it because I don't want to get any of those signs wrong. And remember with the minus, the negative, and all this sense. So when I do that, I get 3. So my slope is 3. Identify which one is your y-intercept, and it's this one right here because it's got the 0 and then the number. So my b is positive 2. Plug in y equals 3x plus 2. You're going to do the same thing when you're given a table. The only difference is you're given more points, so you get to choose. I would work with positive numbers. This would be my x2 and y2 and my x1 and x2. That's just me. But when you find the slope here, that is 3. And then you find in your table where x is 0, and this is your y-intercept at 9. So y equals 3x plus 9. Same thing over here. When I do the slope formula, m is going to equal 2. here is my y-intercept. So b is -3. Y equals 2x minus 3.